अकाल, कैसे हैं आप सब? उम्मीद करता हूँ मेरे बॉस ने अपनी आवाज बंद कर ली तो मैंने कहा चलो मैं ही शुरू कर दूं। हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं, चलो भाई।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल। मैं हूँ मुस्कान खान। उम्मीद है कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे और हमारे साथ हैं ये पुरुष।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, नमस्ते। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल। जहाँ रहें खुश रहें, अपना ख्याल रखें, अपने माँ बाप का ख्याल रखें और जितने मेरे चाहने वाले हैं वो सब भी खुश रहें। तो चलते हैं वीडियो पे।
चलें आप।
तो वीडियो का टाइटल है इंडियन डिप्लोमेट गेट इमोशनल अबाउट लिविंग इंडिया आफ्टर 8 ईयर। अच्छा, ये डिप्लोमेट होते हैं, बहुत सारे कंट्रीज़ के लोग, मुख्तलिफ कंट्रीज़ के दफ्तर होते हैं। हर कंट्री में हर कंट्री का दफ्तर होता है। हमारे मुल्क में इस्लामाबाद में, कराची में हर कंट्री की एम्बेसी है। यानी आपके घर के करीब सऊदी एम्बेसी है, यानी चाइना एम्बेसी भी है क्लिफ्टन में, इंडिया एम्बेसी भी थी, मेरे ख्याल में अब है या नहीं है। हर मुल्क की एम्बेसी जो होती है ना, उसकी वजह क्या होती है एम्बेसी की? उस मुल्क का इस मुल्क से कोई भी काम है, कोई प्रॉब्लम है, वीज़े का मामला होता है, इस मुल्क से उस मुल्क किसी ने जाना है तो एम्बेसी एक दफ्तर होता है। तो ये इटली का एम्बेसडर है। ये लड़की भी इटली की है, ये इंडिया में ही रहती है, इसकी शादी इंडिया में हो गई है। ये इटली का एम्बेसडर है। 8 साल बाद इंडिया छोड़ रहा है, इसकी जॉब कहीं और लग रही होगी। तो ये इसको टूर करवा रही है, इंडिया की खाने वाने खिला रही है। अब इंडिया के बारे में कुछ बताएगा, ये समझो इसका इंटरव्यू है एम्बेसडर का,
चलो
इटली का।
स्टार्ट करते हैं
वीडियो।
Why don't we take Kalipili? Bhaiya, Taj Hotel Cello.
Favorite Bollywood star?
Shah Rukh Khan very much and Deepika Padukone. I never understood the rules of cricket.
One thing that has surprised you here in India.
Digital payments, so you can pay with the UPI, and this is something that in Europe doesn't exist.
What is your favorite Indian street
Belpuri,
food?
Belpuri.
What are things that you're going to miss?
People are always keep a smile for you. My sense of humor is well understood here, and this is not a normal thing. Pune has always been the heart of the Italian production. Our economic bilateral exchange, it was 7 billion, now it's 15. Let me be an Italian gentleman. We lost the mobile phone in Nizamuddin. The police took this thing so seriously, they found the phone. बहुत धन्यवाद.
If he wants to play something. There is a beautiful piano here. Julia here. Today is a super duper special day because I'm having a really beautiful conversation with my friend Alessandro De Masi, the Consul General of Italy in Mumbai. But it's also a bit of a sad day because in a couple of weeks Alessandro is finishing his mandate.
Thank you so much for hosting me in your channel. It's a very important moment for me. We have been discussing about this moment for a while now.
Alessandro has been here for 8 years in India, 5 in Delhi, 3 in Mumbai, so it's a huge change for him to say goodbye. I have so many questions to ask you and I want to go around your favorite places in Mumbai.
Let's go.
Alex, I've seen that you have recently been to an IPL match. It was your first cricket match. Tell us your experience.
In 8 years of India, I never understood the rules of cricket. Never.
I actually also took a lot of time to understand them.
And everybody tells me it's very easy. They try to explain to me that I don't understand it. So I said, I have to go. And I went and I actually first understood much more about the rules. And then I had a great experience. It's like going in a football match in Italy, but about cricket and with people being so enthusiastic about the game. And then when you go to the stadium is another experience. Julia, why don't we take Kalipili?
Yes.
And we head towards Colaba to the Taj. Bhaiya, Taj Hotel Cello.
Okay. moment where you felt this deep connection with the local community?
In Delhi is an amazing story that happened to us a few years back when we lost the mobile phone in Nizamuddin. So we had abandoned the idea of finding it back, but we went to the police to just have the file that we had lost the phone. And incredibly enough, the police took this thing so seriously without even knowing my position. We went all over the place there in Nizamuddin during the entire day, and at the end they found the guy who had taken the phone. Thanks to the Find My Phone.
Yes.
I wrote, I remember, a letter to the commissioner of police to thank him also because they had done an incredible thing. And the second story is here in Mumbai. We have 3 maids working with us at home that have become part of our family, and they have been always there even in very sad moments of ours during the tenure.
They are really part of the family.
They are, and then we have fun together because I cook with them. So when we have even official dinners, they do the Indian part, I do the Italian one. We have really built a fantastic human story which will remain with us for the rest of our lives, of course.
What has been one thing that has surprised you while living here in India?
The first one that comes to my mind is the digital payments. You know,
Yes.
now you can pay whatever you want, even on the streets with the UPI. And this is something that in Europe doesn't exist,
Absolutely.
and which is the clear witnessing of the incredible development and the potential of this country.
Here I always feel actually like already in the future, and I could just go and grab any veggie or on the street or any snack, as you said, and just pay digitally, which is something that in Europe seems to be still far away.
Absolutely.
So kudos to all the digitalization that has happened. Alessandro, tell me about your favorite memory of your 3 years here in Mumbai as a Consul General of Italy.
First of all, you should know that when you serve abroad, you have always 2 different components of your experience. You have the professional one and you have the personal one. So in the case of Mumbai, for me, these 2 spheres have matched together because the people are so incredibly fantastic here that when it comes to networking, which is the most relevant and important ingredient for the job I do, you do it not only on a professional basis, but you do it also then transforming that networking into something that goes more into friendship. I have been blessed on a professional basis when I have managed to solve some very difficult consular cases of Italians that were in great difficulty, and I managed to solve that. And every time this happens, for me, it's a great source of pride. But then, of course, there have been also fantastic other experiences like meeting with incredible people. I have been knowing all of these famous actors, Deepika Padukone and Shah Rukh Khan. And I have had the possibility of granting decorations to very relevant Indian figures. I refer to Kabir Bedi, to a doctor in Kerala who speaks Italian and helps us out extensively when we have cases there. So we gave him a decoration of the President of the Republic.
So let's take a little break. Let's go inside this beautiful Parsi cafe that you have recommended. Alex, I really want to talk about one of the ways you have built a community here is this really special series of events that I really want you to explain to our community.
We were in need of a format that would allow Italy to be promoted under the same image umbrella. Since the aperitivo, which is a very important kind of social habit we have in Italy, was not well known here, I decided to call it the Aperitivo Italiano in Mumbai. And every month we have organized an aperitivo on different kind of sectors, so promoting those sectors, cuisine, research, music, design, I mean anything you might think of, in a fancy way with a talk and then with an interaction between relevant people belonging to that sector. So inviting Italian people from Italy, meeting with the Indian friends.
I don't know if you know, but Alessandro has his own YouTube channel called The Smiling Diplomat, which is like the most perfect title he could choose for his YouTube channel. So you can definitely keep on following him there and he will take you around all these adventures. I wanted to ask you, as we are here around the food kind of thing, what is your favorite Indian street food?
Belpuri.
Look, you didn't even allow me.
You shouldn't finish the sentence. I already knew the answer. Belpuri.
What is the best Belpuri in Mumbai? Let's see.
I don't remember the name of the place, but it's that place we've been. You remember?
Snacks.
Yeah, Shwati Snacks.
He is a great chef. He makes incredible risotto. If you get the chance to get his risotto, go for it. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So this is supposed to have with the bread like scarpetta.
Scarpetta, which means little shoe in Italian, but it's the practice of cleaning the dish with the bread, the leftovers of food. Can I serve?
Oh yes, of
for you?
course. Thank
Let me be an Italian gentleman.
you. So let's try. Wow. It's actually really soft and moist,
It's incredible.
but it's creamy and it's so flavorful.
When the heat is there, this is an amazing drink. Nimbu pani, this is the name you should remember.
What do you think are the things that we have in common between Italy and India?
We have very similar social traditions. We very much care about well-being of our family members, and we have also the need of being together and sharing time together, sharing meals together. So the concept of the table, it's another similarity we have. Then I always say that one of the most original aspects I found in India was the fact that my sense of humor is well understood here and vice versa. And this is not a normal thing. This means a lot. This means that we are really very similar.
What do you think is going to be the future in the relationship between the two countries?
I have to say that compared to 2016 when I arrived, now we are at a much higher level of collaboration. Our two prime ministers are very good friends. They love being together. They do a lot of cooperation. So I am absolutely confident that this is only the beginning of a collaboration that will last forever. We have doubled our economic bilateral exchange in a few years. When I arrived, it was 7 billion. Now it's 15. So it's very, very, very important.
Good job.
Bravo. Thank you.
Yes, thanks to you. So we actually have reached one of your favorite places
Yes.
in Mumbai, the restaurant Americano.
Americano.
Why is it close to your heart?
When I arrived here, I was hearing about this place, but it was very difficult to find tables. It was completely overbooked all the time. Then we managed to get a table, and we felt immediately a kind of an atmosphere that is great because it's very easygoing. And then we became good friends with the chef and with the owners of the restaurants. This is why I was keen in bringing you here to show you the
We also
place.
had a beautiful event here.
Yes,
right?
yes.
With Aditi Rai also that was here, so I have really fond memories of
Yes.
this place. Let's go inside Americano.
Let's go.
Talking about the economical relation between the two countries, tell me a bit more about the district in Pune, because I know that there are so many Italian companies there, so...
Pune has always been the heart of the Italian production in India. So just to give you some figures, now we have approximately 40 companies that are with plants producing. Those companies employ approximately 18,000 Indian workers, and we generate approximately 1 billion euro turnover per year. And there are some important aspects I would like to mention. The first is that the new companies are coming. The ones that are established here are expanding their production plant. And the most relevant part of it is that in the past, the management was Italian, and now it's becoming Indian. So the Italian company rely on the experience of the workers they had at the beginning of their production to become the managers.
Wow.
So this is also another very crucial aspect of the collaboration and the coordination we have among our two countries.
Wow, what a beautiful place. I really love the buildings, the surroundings here. What was your first impression when you first came to Mumbai?
The fact is that I had no idea that there would have been such a huge difference between Delhi and Mumbai, in the sense that the dynamics of the town are so much different compared to Delhi, in terms of interaction with the people, in terms of the city itself.
Alex, we are at the end of our chat in your beautiful home. What are things that you're going to miss and that you're gonna take with you to Italy from India?
What I will miss the most are the people of this amazing country that is now also a little bit my country because I have spent 8 years here. So it's the warmth of people, it's the generosity of people here. People are always keep a smile for you, and if they can help you in any way, they do it sincerely. So this is one thing I will bring back to Italy for sure.
Alessandro, when he was appointed as the Consul General of Italy in Mumbai, he actually typed on YouTube and he was like Italians in Mumbai, and our video of me going around the Marine Drive asking people what they knew about Italy went on top. So he started watching it and was like, who is this girl? She's doing diplomacy via social media. And then he just slid into my DMs, and that's how our friendship started. So I'm really grateful for that. We're gonna keep on seeing each other in Europe. You're always welcome to come to India when we are here. We will definitely miss you so much.
Thank you very much. I mean, I have no words to thank you because you are contributing dramatically to the knowledge of our cultures both ways. Thank you very much for this video that will be, I'm pretty sure, very important in my future because I will be able to see the things I loved in this town. And this is thanks to you again. So, बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you very much.
As always, click the like button, subscribe to the channel. And before that, I asked Alex, the man of the many talents, if he wants to play something for us. Does
Okay, I'll try.
There is a beautiful piano here.
But follow me also on the Smiling Diplomat. Otherwise, I
Yes.
don't play the piano.
अल्लाह, आज हम सब पागल हो गए।
तो ये थे इटली के एम्बेसडर, और एम्बेसडर काफ़ी साल या 8 साल इन्होंने गुजारे दिल्ली में भी, मुंबई में भी। अच्छा, बहुत सारे, सबसे अच्छा लफ्ज़ मुझे एक चीज़ लगी, सबसे अच्छी बात
क्या लगी?
कि बोला यार आप कौन सा लफ्ज़ बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हो लोगों से, क्योंकि इनको तो हिंदी नहीं आती थी,
बिल्कुल।
लेकिन आस्ते आस्ते रह के आ जाती
आ
है।
जाते हैं।
बोला सबसे ज़्यादा कॉमन लफ्ज़ है धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद।
आपका शुक्रिया, आपका
इंसान कुछ
धन्यवाद।
बात नहीं कर सकते, ये बोलेगा चलो उसके दूसरे बंदे के चेहरे पे मुस्कुराहट आएगी।
नहीं, जैसे मिसाल के तौर पे खाना कोई दे रहा है, किसी होटल में बैठे हुए हैं, अब खाना उनके आगे रख रहे हैं, तो ये क्या कहेंगे? शुक्रिया,
सत श्री अकाल।
धन्यवाद।
अच्छा, हाँ, अच्छा लगता है इनके मुंह से धन्यवाद।
और दूसरा ये कि शाहरुख खान दुनिया
सबसे
का
मिला हुआ है भाई,
दुनिया का मोस्ट फेमस एक्टर है। शाहरुख खान पसंद है, दीपिका
सबसे
पसंद
मिले
है।
हुए हैं वाकई।
दीपिका पतोन,
आय हाय।
दीपिका पतोन, क्या इनका नाम मेरे
आये ला 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 ला, दीपिका पादुकोण।
मुंह पे पानी क्यों आ रहा है?
मुंह में पानी आ रहा है।
अब वो किसी और की हो चुकी है।
अच्छा, उधर जा रही हैं, उधर जा रही हैं। तो आप डॉक्टर हैं उनके, उसके बच्चे होने वाले
नहीं
हैं।
नहीं, मैं डॉक्टर क्यों हूँ? बच्चे क्यों पैदा करूँ? किसी की क्या होगी?
तो आपको कैसे
ओ,
पता
कहाँ
होगा?
चले गए तुम लोग? यहीं आ जाओ, आपसे जाओ, आपसे जाओ, आपसे जाओ।
तो खैर बहरहाल ये है कि इंडियन फूड्स बहुत पसंद है इन्हें, इंडियन कल्चर पसंद है इन्हें। अच्छा, इंडिया कोई भी जाता है इंडिया के कल्चर का दीवाना होता है।
देखिए
दीवाना
दीवाना
हो
की
जाता है वाकई।
मैं इतनी देर से वीडियो देख रही थी, वैसे मुझे इटली है, यूरोप वगैरह है, लेकिन इतना ज़बरदस्त है, लग रहा नहीं है कि इंडिया है।
अब वीडियो के दरमियान में ये
और
कह रही
इंडिया
थी,
में ये लोग व्लॉग बना रहे हैं ना, क्योंकि अंग्रेज ये बाहर मुल्क के हैं, तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि वाकई में ये बाहर मुल्क
अच्छा
का
ये
ही
कह रही
इंडिया
थी कि
नहीं
ये
है।
यूरोप लग रहा है, तो फिर
हाँ।
मैंने इन्हें बाकायदा पीछे हिंदी लिखी हुई दिखाई,
हम्म।
और फिर वो ताज होटल से इन्होंने स्टार्ट किया
इतना
था।
प्यारा शहर बन गया है, इतना ज़बरदस्त लग रहा नहीं है, रोड इतना साफ सुथरा, और घर
मैं
इतनी
जाऊंगी
सारी
ना,
चीज़ें।
क्यों टेंशन ले रही हो? मैं एक एक चीज की वीडियो बना बना के भेजूंगी, सब बताऊंगी।
नहीं,
सब
मुझे तो
दिखाऊंगी।
खुशी हो रही है। मैं जाके क्या करूंगी वहाँ पे? आप ये बताएं। 2 दिन घूमूंगी आ जाऊंगी, 3 दिन घूमूंगी आ जाऊंगी,
नहीं,
क्या
तुम
फायदा?
हर साल में आना ना मेरे पास रुकने के लिए।
बस मुझे
घूमने
ये
के लिए।
खुशी, चलो वो तरक्की करें, आगे बढ़े, अपने रोड अच्छा बना रहे
काश
हैं,
कि
घर
हम
अच्छा
भी
बना
तरक्की
रहे हैं,
करते।
ये भी करें, लेकिन देखो मुझे क्या फायदा? आप ये बताएं, मुझे कोई फायदा है?
घूमता है फिरता है इंसान,
घूमते
मौका
फिरते
मिलता है
enjoy
दुनिया।
करेगा, वापसी
Actually,
वही
वापसी वही आना है, जहाँ रहना है,
रहना है,
हाँ।
बस और कुछ
घूमने
नहीं।
के लिए
बस
जा
हमें
सकते हैं।
खुशी हो रही है, अच्छा लग रहा है कि ये हमारे पाकिस्तान वाले को भी सोचना चाहिए कि ये अच्छा कर रहे हैं, तरक्की करें, आगे बढ़े, हम भी करें, बस चेंज करें, ट्रेन चेंज करें, ये सब करें।
करप्शन से निकले,
हाँ,
बेईमानी से निकले,
ये
चीटिंग
सारी
से
चीज़ें
निकले।
हैं।
बिल्कुल।
लेकिन ये चीज़ें नहीं है।
दोबारा
बाकी मुझे
किसी और
बहुत
वीडियो के
खुशी
साथ-
हुई है कि आप लोग बहुत आगे बढ़ गए, तरक्की कर रहे हो, मुझे ये बात की खुशी है, और कुछ भी नहीं।
बिल्कुल।
कोई लालच नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं।
और तरक्की कौमें वही करती हैं जो ईमानदारी से चलती हैं। बाखुदा वही लोग तरक्की करते हैं जो सच पे चलते हैं,
और मुझे
जो
ये
झूठ
पता है
नहीं
कि
बोलते।
अगर मैं इंडिया आ जाऊंगी तो आप मुझे पूरा इंडिया दे देंगे। मुझे पता है, मैं आऊंगी, घूमूंगी, फिरूंगी, आप इज्जत करोगे, मैं इज्जत
नहीं,
करूंगी, घूम फिर के आ
इनका
जाऊंगी।
कहना ये है कि ये कहीं भी जाती हैं तो लोग इनकी बहुत इज्जत करते हैं। ये कहती हैं कि जितनी मुझे उम्मीद नहीं होती, कहीं पर भी कहीं भी जाती हैं तो ये कहती है लोग बड़ी
ऐसी
बहुत
बात,
बहुत
इज्जत दोगे तो इज्जत पाओगे।
बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, कहती हैं लोग। तो इनको इतना मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है कि अगर मैं इंडिया भी गई तो लोग मेरी बहुत इज्जत ही करेंगे।
बिल्कुल।
और दूसरी चीज़ है
मैं
कि
किसी
जो
को बुरा नहीं चाहती हूँ।
क्योंकि जो कौमें तरक्की करती हैं, जो कौमें कामयाब हैं, वो सच बोलती हैं, तो वो झूठ नहीं बोलती। और सच बोलने वाला इंसान कामयाब होता है। झूठ कभी भी नहीं बोलना चाहिए।
नहीं, मैं नहीं बोलती।
मैंने आपको थोड़ी बोला है,
मैं नहीं बोलती।
मैं वैसे कह रहा हूँ कि इंसान को इस मुल्क में जो झूठ है, फ्रॉड है, बेईमानी से चीज़ें बेचते हैं हम लोग,
गलत है।
तो ये गलत है। दोबारा किसी और हिसाब से मुलाकात होती है, जब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।